How to see who rewatched your Snapchat stories. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see who rewatched your Snapchat stories. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on My Story to open the snap that you want to check. And now here, in this section, you can simply swipe up on the story and there you will see the list of people who viewed it. And here, if your account has story rewatched count feature enabled, you'll notice a little eye emoji with an arrow next to some names. This means that those friends have rewatched your story. So there at the bottom, Snapchat will also show you how many friends rewatched the story. Just remember, it won't tell you how many times they have rewatched it, only that they did. And that's it. That's how you can see who rewatched your Snapchat stories. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.